Welcome to this Tutor to You Criminology topic video for WJEC Level 3 Criminology, looking at Assessment Criteria 2.2, Individualistic Theories of Criminality. In this video, we're going to focus on Eysenck's personality theory. Personality theories are a form of individualistic theory that focus on the traits and characteristics that people possess that incline them towards criminal behaviour. One of the more commonly referenced personality theories was put forward by Eysenck, who suggested that an individual's personality traits are innate. That is, they are born with them and they are a fixed part of an individual's identity. Eysenck looked to measure individuals' personality types through the use of a questionnaire, which is still widely used in psychological research today. Eysenck asked people questions about their behaviour and looked to score them based upon 4 different categories: neuroticism, stability, introversion, and extroversion. A 5th category of psychoticism was added later. Through administering these questionnaires, Eysenck was able to measure individuals' personality traits in a quantitative manner, scoring individuals based upon their responses in each of the 4 categories. These categories were placed upon a horizontal and vertical axis, with people being scored based upon their level of extroversion or introversion, and their level of neuroticism or stability. Eysenck argued that these 4 categories would explain most personality types based upon their score in 2 dimensions. For an example, an individual might score high for extroversion and high for neuroticism, making them an EN personality type. Other individuals may score lower for extroversion and have higher scores for stability, making them an IS personality type. From these different combinations of personality traits, one personality type was found to be closely linked to criminal and deviant behaviours, the EN personality, that measured high for both extroversion and neuroticism. This personality type displayed restless and impulsive personality traits and was inclined towards aggression and risk-taking behaviours. In later studies, a 5th dimension of psychoticism was added, with a 2nd criminal type being established, the PEN personality, scoring high for psychoticism, neuroticism, and extroversion. These 2 personality types were thought to commit more criminal and deviant activities than other personality types as a result of the traits that these people possessed. High extroversion scores correlated with risk-taking behaviours and anti-authority views. They were also more likely to push boundaries and break rules. This, combined with a lack of stability on the high neuroticism scale, led to impulsive and unpredictable behaviours. Furthermore, those who scored higher in terms of neuroticism were more likely to experience guilt and anxiety, and this led to them being quick-tempered. High levels of psychoticism correlated with antisocial behaviour and a lack of empathy, meaning they would be less likely to be controlled by the possible consequences of their actions. In evaluating Eysenck's personality questionnaires, it can be argued that the EPQ was one of the first measures to try and quantify criminal behaviours and is the formation of many different forms of personality profiling, which has become more important in criminal investigations in recent years. Evidence to support Eysenck comes from Rushton and Christian, who administered the EPQ to juvenile delinquents and found high scores for extroversion, neuroticism, and psychoticism. However, critics have suggested that personality theories are limited, as their evidence is based upon correlations. Other factors might have conceivably shaped individuals' behaviours. It cannot be ruled out that social factors shape individuals' personalities in the first place, and it cannot be assumed that personality traits are innate. For many people, their upbringing, family life, and socialisation will shape their behaviours. If behaviour is innate, we would be more likely to see a broader range of criminality across gender, social class, and different ethnic groups.